Picture this. Gadgets so advanced, they feel illegal to own. Most people are still wasting hours on everyday problems, completely unaware these genius inventions exist. Today, we're counting down 20 mind-blowing upgrades you never knew you needed. Hit subscribe to stay ahead of the future. All product links in description below. Ever wished you could bring deep-sea tranquility right to your desk? Staring at boring lamps all night leaves your space feeling dull. This lifelike sensory lamp uses silent whisper motors, ultra-realistic silicone jellyfish, and 16 vibrant LED color modes. It melts daily stress instantly. Your old room setup will never feel the same again. It gets even better. What if your phone cords never frayed or snapped at the tip again, constantly bending cables while gaming ruins your ports? This 540-degree magnetic cord features military-grade braided nylon, rock-solid neodymium pins, and rapid 60-watt power delivery. It snaps on effortlessly with one hand. Once you try it, you'll never go back. Now things get really interesting. Picture this. Barista-level foam crafted right in your kitchen in seconds. Waiting in long coffee shop lines wastes time and money. This high-speed frother packs a 19,000 RPM titanium motor, dual stainless whisks, and whisper-quiet operation. It whips silky foam instantly for morning lattes. You'll wonder how you ever lived without it, if you thought that was impressive. Ever get tired of tangled cables cluttering your bedside table? Packing separate chargers for every trip is an absolute nightmare. This pocket-sized magnetic folding stand powers your phone, watch, and earbuds simultaneously with safe 15-watt soy fast charging. It keeps everything sleek and clean. This genius invention changes everything. The next gadget is on another level. Imagine framing flawless 4K videos using your phone's rear camera with zero guesswork. Blurry selfie camera clips ruin great content. This ultra-thin monitor snaps magnetically to your case, beaming high-res wireless video in real time with zero latency. It elevates your streaming game instantly. It completely transforms the creator experience. Hold on, check this out. What if blind spots completely vanished the moment you hit the gas? Rain and dark tints make standard mirrors nearly useless. This 12-inch anti-glare touchscreen mirror provides split-screen 4K night vision, AI collision detection, and automated loop recording. Highway driving becomes infinitely safer. Once you try it, you'll never go back. Now, let's step inside your home. Meet the gadget that ends exhausting floor scrubbing forever. Dragging heavy mop buckets across hard floors ruins your back. This cordless spin mop unleashes dual high-torque motors, integrated LED headlights, and a built-in precision water sprayer. It glides across hardwood seamlessly. You'll wonder how you ever lived without it. It keeps getting smarter. Ever wished your work desk looked clean, organized, and ultra-futuristic? Messy cable piles kill daily productivity. This sleek charging station features dedicated fast-charging pads, advanced temperature shielding, and smart auto shutoff sensors to protect battery health. Everything powers up in one organized footprint. This completely upgrades your workflow. And for life on the road, what if a flat tire never stranded you on the highway again? Hand pumps take forever, and gas station air pumps are always broken. This pocket-sized inflator packs a 150 PSI motor, real-time digital pressure display, and auto shutoff accuracy. It inflates tires effortlessly. Your roadside emergency prep will never be the same. Wait until you see your kitchen. Imagine pouring fresh, chemical-free plant milk without squeezing messy nut bags. Store-bought cartons are loaded with preservatives and sugars. This smart countertop maker features razor-sharp stainless blades, automated self-cleaning cycles, and rapid flash heating. It serves rich oat milk in minutes. Once you taste it, you'll never go back. Now for pure retro desk vibes. Meet the gadget that turns any workspace into a sci-fi command center. Basic desk clocks look plain and boring, This futuristic desk display boasts 5 full-color IPS screens, customizable pixel art, and live social media counters. It keeps you informed while looking insane. You'll wonder how your desk survived without it. Power users, watch this. What if a single port turned your laptop into a massive battle station? Running out of ports halts all your creative work. This compact metal hub delivers triple 4K monitor support, blazing 10 gigabits per second data transfers, and 100-watt power delivery pass-through. It organizes your setup instantly. This changes everything for productivity. Data hoarders, get ready. Picture this, transferring massive 4K movie files in the blink of an eye. Bulky external drives hang awkwardly and slow you down. This MagSafe compatible metal enclosure delivers insane 20 gigabits per second, read speeds, active thermal dissipation, and universal USB-C compatibility. It snaps directly to your phone. Once you experience this speed, you'll never go back. Waking up is about to change. Meet the genius invention that guarantees you never oversleep again. Hitting snooze constantly ruins your entire morning schedule. This rugged alarm clock beeps loudly, rolls off your nightstand, and navigates across the floor on shock-absorbent wheels. You must get up to catch it. Your morning routine will never feel lazy again. Now look into the future. Imagine carrying a massive cinematic theater everywhere you go. Staring down at tiny smartphone screens strains your neck on flights. These lightweight AR glasses project a virtual 201-inch micro OLED display with built-in spatial audio and dual prescription-ready lenses. You get pocketable entertainment anywhere. This completely transforms travel. Lighting just got an upgrade. Ever wished your dark closets and cabinets lit up automatically? Fumbling for switches in pitch-black rooms is frustrating. This ultra-slim magnetic light bar uses passive infrared motion sensing, glare-free side-emitting LEDs, and an all-day rechargeable battery. It snaps onto metal shelves effortlessly. You'll wonder how you ever navigated in the dark. Cleaning just got effortless. What if hard scrubbing stopped hurting your knees and elbows? Stubborn shower grime and tile stains take hours of painful elbow grease. This motorized scrubber features an extendable aluminum handle, 4 interchangeable brush heads, and powerful 300 revolutions per minute torque. It destroys soap scum instantly. Cleaning your bathroom will never feel grueling again. Breakfast just entered 2026. Picture this. Flawless golden toast, customized down to the exact shade every morning. Standard toasters burn edges, while leaving bread cold inside. This smart appliance features a responsive color touchscreen, instant heating diamond elements, and tailored presets for bagels, pastries, and gluten-free bread. It delivers perfection effortlessly. Your morning breakfast will never be the same. Audio lovers, prepare yourselves. What if crystal clear sound and punchy bass went everywhere without fear of water damage? Tiny phone speakers sound tinny and hollow outdoors. This rugged speaker delivers 360-degree surround sound, rich dual subwoofers, IPX7 waterproof armor, and 24 hours of battery life. It fuels any outdoor adventure effortlessly. This changes every party. Your bathroom routine evolved. This might be the most essential hygiene upgrade in your bathroom. Exposed toothbrushes harbor invisible airborne bacteria near your sink. This wall-mounted caddy uses medical-grade UV sterilization to destroy 99.9% of germs while automatically dispensing the perfect dab of toothpaste. It keeps your smile protected effortlessly. Once you install it, you'll never go back. Which of these futuristic gadgets blew your mind the most? Drop your favorite pic in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to Nexvora for more insane tech discoveries. We'll see you in the next one.